We're here today at Manchester College to put a little bit more time back into the next generation of chefs. We're doing a dinner, there's 4 of us doing a course each, and we're going to spend some time working with the students, teaching them some techniques and getting them involved in a restaurant service. Everyone's excited, there's a nice buzz around the place.
I'm here to support the Chefs Forum. I'm actually cooking a dessert along with 3 other amazing guys, amazing chefs. I think what I would say to females actually coming into the industry is that everybody's the same. It doesn't matter what agenda you are. It's about how much you want it, about how much passion and kind of commitment that you're willing to bring into this industry.
See the younger generation come through, and it's great. I'm not getting any younger, so it's great to see the young talent and the keen young talent. Now you've got an opportunity now that I certainly didn't have when I left Catering College. Probably there was only 2 places to go, Paris and London, that was about it really. Now the world's your oyster, the world's a small place. Travel is accessible to everybody wherever you live. And there's some amazing restaurants out there. I mean, she's not got a bad one as well, to be honest. It's not a bad little place, wrong side of the Pennines, but it's all right. Right. That's a student, by the way. She's doing very well. She's got promise. She'll do all right.